How to check if your iPhone is original or fake? To check if your iPhone is original or fake, here are some proven methods to verify its authenticity. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then, once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Then, once you tap on the general, tap on the about at the top. Then tap on the serial number and long press on it, and then you will get to see copy option available on your screen and copy it from your device. Once copied, go back to the home screen and tap on any web browser you prefer. Then let me just tap on the Safari for now. You can also go to the Chrome or any other according to your preferences. Then tap on the search address bar, search for the Apple's coverage option available there. And once you're inside the Apple check coverage, here all you have to do is enter the serial number you just copied. Now search for it. If Apple recognizes it and shows warranty support, your iPhone is genuine. If it says invalid or not found, it is fake or altered. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.